Have you ever been love-bombed so hard you started naming your future kids? Only to discover he's still swiping, hiding you on Instagram, or asking for a threesome with his cousin the same weekend you met his mom. Welcome to FamTalkDaily, your unfiltered, no-holds-barred confession booth for the wildest, cringiest, most jaw-dropping dating disasters of 2025, served SATC style with extra dirt and zero apologies. Every week I spill the drink on the men who plan cinematic romance, then ghost like a pro. Call you babe in public but treat you like a dirty secret online. Drop grand gestures followed by grand betrayals. Love bomb, future fake. Recycle rings, fake pregnancies, and pull every chaotic trick in the modern dating playbook, and many more. These are the stories your group chat can't handle, the ones that make you laugh, scream, and swear off men. Until the next plot twist. If you've ever cried in the freezer aisle, blocked someone mid-cake, or stared at a text wondering, is this real life? You're already family here. We laugh at the chaos, call out the red flags, and remind each other we deserve better, louder, prouder love. Hit subscribe right now, because the next story I drop is so insane it'll make you choke on your drink, and the cliffhanger will have the comments section on fire for days. Grab your drink, gorgeous. The table is set, the tea is scalding, and the family just got a whole lot bigger. Welcome to FamTalkDaily. We're all a little messed up. And that's exactly why we belong together. See you in the next one. Or sooner if he texts again.